Hey guys, my dad's going to the hospital today, so I'm gonna make a fairy. And the fairy will be, I'm gonna make the fairy pretty.
Welcome. What do you look like?
I don't know. He's gonna be my mentor, but maybe I'm just gonna make a look exactly like that. I would say probably water.
Now choose a hairstyle. Choose your pixie wings and hair. They will carry you here, but most pixies are about 5 inches tall. How tall are you? Born with laughter, club your talent is a true reflection of who you are. Find the wonderful skills.
I'm just gonna make myself an animal talent.
Hey, chickadee.
I'm Fawn, the mentor fairy for all animal talents. I'm so glad you're here. What's your name?
You don't have a name yet? Come on then, let's go get you one.
I'm gonna name myself Ashley. Ashley something. Or Autumn. So please remember, I'll be on Autumn, Ashley, anytime.
We
No,
animals
no,
have a lot to do to prepare the season, and I, for one, am glad to have your help. Taking the seasons to the mainland is what we do. It's a pack of fun. Summer, autumn, winter, now comes fun. Wow, I gotta come up here more often. It's beautiful. Not to mention, you can go anywhere from here. Oh, by the way, do you like to play games? I thought you did. We play a lot of talent games around here. It's a great way to get lots of places in Pixie Hollow have games to play. I mean, just look at all the signs. Let's see, what's next? Oh, yeah, this is where you can find me and my friends. It seems like we always need help, so don't be shy. Of course, you can find lots of other stuff. Okay. I remember, you'll need to use...
Okay, I'm going to do the quest is for level 8. Level 8. So I'm gonna say my jewels. So I'm on Autumn Icesparkle right now. So flap with you later.